Welcome back, America, to your Cable Data Science channel. First of all, a big shout out to all 90 people who watched this video yesterday. But now I got a favor to ask. That's you to click on that share button, share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts today. Share the good news of declining COVID-19 cases and deaths in the U.S. with your friends and family today. What's that you say? You don't do Facebook or Twitter? In that case, just click on the share button anyway, copy and paste the link to this video into an email and text message, and share the good news of declining cases and deaths in America today with your friends and your family, okay? Let's go ahead and fire this report off. Okay, currently the U.S. for the previous 12 months, I think, previous 365 days, America has a total of 30.8 million cases, 473,000 deaths. A declining mortality rate simply means that the ratio of cases to death is increasing. Now you can see there are our numbers right here. You can see for the we had a little spike on the July the 2nd up to 29,092 cases, but on January 6th that dropped back down to 5,520 cases. For the 7-day period ending June the 28th, we were averaging 12,315 cases per day. What about deaths? You can see the continued declining pattern in deaths. On July 4th, we reported 33 deaths in the U.S. For the 7-day period ending 6/28, we were averaging 243 deaths per day. And you can see the weekly numbers of this declining pattern in cases and in deaths. So this is the fantastic news that you need to share today with your friends and your family. You need to share that cases and deaths are continuing to fall. Okay, are continuing to fall in America today. Okay. Look at June's numbers. It's the lowest number it's the lowest number of monthly cases since all the way back over in June of 2020. I will point out I'm only doing the previous 12 months data now. So I'm rolling forward each day another day, and you can see here that this is that monthly deaths are the lowest month. June's deaths were the lowest monthly numbers since July of 2020. This is the number of COVID-19 cases per 100,000 people in the U.S. Well, if this is 12.5, then that means this number here, this number means currently 6 to 8 people per 100,000 have COVID-19 in America. And you can see that the number of deaths per 100,000 people is declining. This number means that for every 100,000 people, 1/2 person is dying per day of COVID-19 U.S. So this means that every day excuse me, every day 1/4 of a person out of 100,000 is dying from COVID-19 in the U.S. today. These are the cumulative totals. What we're looking for here is a flattening pattern. Okay. Is it just we don't really see a big flattening pattern here yet in terms of cumulative cases or cumulative deaths? We need to keep it, even we need to keep an eye out for that pattern right there. Okay, well, anyway, thanks so much for your time, America. Hey, don't forget to share the good news of declining COVID-19 cases and deaths in the U.S. with your friends and family today. All you got to do is click on the share button, share this video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also, of course, copy and paste the link to the video in an email and a text message and share the video with your friends and family that way also. Thanks so much, America, for your time. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.